In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the number of guests on Airbnb. This can be a useful feature to adjust capacity for your listing and ensure it aligns with the space you have available. So let's dive right into it. First, head over to Airbnb.com. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, simply use your credentials to access your profile. Once you're in, look for the top right-hand corner of your screen. That's where you'll find the Switch to Hosting option. Clicking on this will redirect you to your hosting dashboard. Now that you're in hosting mode, take a glance at the options available to you. Among them, you'll see a tab labeled Listings. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Listings to open up a page displaying all the properties you currently have up for rent or for hosting. From the list of your properties, select the one you need to modify. This step is crucial as it determines which listing you'll be editing. Once you've clicked on the desired listing, you will be taken to a detailed view that allows for numerous adjustments of your listing details. In this detailed view, you'll notice various sections available for editing. What we're interested in today is the number of guests section. Find this section and click on it. This action will open up a menu where you can change details related to guest accommodation. Finally, with this section open, you'll now have the ability to adjust the number of guests that your property can comfortably accommodate. It's important to accurately assess your space so that your guests have a pleasant and comfortable stay. Once you've adjusted the numbers to your satisfaction, ensure that all changes have been saved. With these simple steps, your Airbnb listing is now updated to reflect the maximum number of guests you are prepared to host. That's it. You've successfully changed the number of guests your property can accommodate on Airbnb. Remember, keeping your listing updated ensures better guest experiences and provides potential guests with a clear understanding of what to expect when booking your property. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed this, make sure to check out some of our other instructional videos for more helpful tips on managing your Airbnb listings.